नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, एक्सपर्ट टीचिंग या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये तुमचं स्वागत आहे। ज्याप्रमाणे की आपण क्लास 10th यामधील क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन हा चॅप्टर स्टार्ट केलेलो होतो आणि त्यामध्ये आपण 2.6 कंटिन्यू करत आहोत। त्यामध्ये आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ऑलरेडी पाहिलेले आहोत आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 हा पाहताना लाईटचा प्रॉब्लेम असल्या कारणाने आपण हा क्वेश्चन थांबवला होता। तो चला मग क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 नाउ Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocal of their ages is 1/6. Find their present age. Now let the present age of Kishore is X year and Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. Now present age of Vivek. Now the present age of Vivek is X plus 5 years. Now X plus 5 years. The sum of the reciprocal of their ages. Now sum of the reciprocal of their ages. X reciprocal 1 by X and X plus 5 reciprocal 1 upon X plus 5. Then the sum of the reciprocal of their ages, first that is 1 by X, another 1 divided by X plus 5, each equal to 1 by 6. Then cross multiplication, X plus 5, X into X, X divided by X bracket X plus 5 is equal to 1 by 6. Now therefore X plus X 2X plus 5 divided by X into X, X square plus X into 5, 5X 1 by 6. Then cross multiplication, 6 bracket 2X plus 5, then 1 bracket X square plus 5X. Now 6 2s are 12X, 6 5s are 30 is equal to, that is X square plus 5X. Now therefore first we can write X square plus 5X is equal to 12X plus 13. Now 12X plus 13. Therefore X square plus 5X minus 12X minus 30 equal to 0. Now therefore X square minus 7X minus 30 equal to 0. Then we can solve the quadratic equation. Now factor of 37, 10 3s are 30, that is minus plus. Now the X square, now X square minus 10X plus 3X minus 30 equal to 0. There this position is common. Now this position is common is X, the value of X minus 10. This common is 3, value is 3 10s are 30. Now collect one bracket and X plus 3 is another bracket. Therefore X minus 10 equal to 0, X plus 3 equal to 0. Now X equal to 10 and X equal to minus 3. Now ages is not negative, that is X equal to minus 3 is cancelled. The X equal to 10 years. Now this is the present age of Kishore and the present age of Vivek is. Now this is present age of Kishore, X equal to 10. Now the present answer, present age of Kishore is x equal to 10 years, and present age of Vivek is that is x plus 5, that is 10 plus 5 equal to 15 years. Yes. Now we can solve another question. The question number 5. Now the question number 5 will be Suyesh. Now question number 5, Suyesh. Now Suyesh scored 10 marks more in 10 marks more in 10 marks more in second test than that in the first test. Than that in the first 5 times. First 5 times 5 times the score 5 times score of the second test is the same as square of the score in the first test. Find the score in first test. Find the score in first test. Then now we can solve the question. Suyesh scored 10 marks more in second test than that in the first. 5 times the score of the second test is the same as the square of the score in the first test. Find the score in the first test. Now let Suyesh scored in first test x mark. Then score in second test is the mark in second test is that is x plus 10. That is 10 more marks. Now Suyesh scored 10 marks more in second test, that is x plus 10. Second test than that in the first 5 times in the score of, that is 5 times the score of second test is the same as square of the score in the first test. That is, now therefore we can solve the quadratic equation. 5 into x, 5x, 5 times of 50 is equal to x square. Now x square equal to 5x plus 50. Therefore x square plus 5x minus 50 equal to 0. Then it is minus 50. 10 5 are 50. It is plus and minus. Now x square plus 10x minus 5x minus 50 equal to 0. We can common this. Now common the value x bracket x plus 10. Common the value 5 bracket x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now we can collect the one bracket in same quantity, that is x plus 10, and this is x minus 5. Therefore x plus 10 equal to 0. Now we can see, and x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now the final answer will be, now we can, now this position is wrong, that is plus minus and plus minus. Now and this is minus and plus. Now this is minus and this is as minus and this is plus. Now we can collect one bracket, that is x minus 10 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. That is x minus 10 equal to 0, x plus 5 equal to 0, x equal to 10, x equal to minus 5. That is mark is not negative. X equal to minus 5 cancel. The x equal to 10. Now the score in first test. Score in first test is 10 marks. Now we can see. Now another question. Another question is question number 6. Question number 6. Mr. Kasam. Now question number 6. Mr. Kasam runs a small business. Runs a small business. Runs a small business of making earthen pots. Earthen pots. He makes certain numbers. He makes certain numbers. He makes certain numbers of pots. Certain number of pots on daily basis. On daily basis. Production cost of each pot pots each pots is rupees 40. More than 10 times more than 10 times total number of pots. Total number of pots. Total number of pots he makes in one day. He makes in one day. He makes in one day. E production cost of E production. E production cost of E production cost of all pots per day. All pots per day is 600. Find production cost of one pot and number of pots. And number of pots he makes per day. He makes per day. Now we can see the questions. Now we can see the question. That is, Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pots. Earthen pots आणि मातीचे भांडे. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis. Production cost of each pot is rupees 40, more than 10 times the total number of pots he makes in one day. Now let he makes X number of pots. He makes X number of pots. X number of pots in daily. X number of pots in one day. In one day. Therefore, cost of then production cost of each pots, cost of one pots is equal to rupees 40 more than 10 times the total number of pots. Now he makes X number of pots, that is X cost of one pots. Now therefore the total cost is equal to 600. The total cost is, that is number of pots X and cost of one pots. Cost of one pots, that is 40 plus 10x is equal to 600. Now therefore 40x plus 10x square is equal to 600. Now therefore the 10x square plus 14x minus 600 equal to 0. We can divide 10. Now 10 fourths are 20. 10 fourths are 40, and therefore 60 equal to 0. Now we can factorize. Minus 60, that is 4. 10 6 are 40, minus plus. Now plus and minus. Now we can solve the quadratic equation. Therefore x square plus 10x minus 6x and minus 60 equal to 0. We can common here. Common the value of x, answer will be x plus 10. Common the value of 6, answer x plus 10 equal to 0. Now the x plus 10 in one bracket and x minus 6 in one bracket. That is x plus 10 equal to 0, x minus 6 equal to 0. That is x equal to minus 10 and x equal to 6. That is minus cancel, x equal to 6. Now, let he makes x number of pots in one day. That is the Mr. Kasam makes 6 pots, 6 earthen pots in one day. 6 earthen pots. Then the cost, he makes 6 pot. He makes 6 pots. 6 pots. And cost equal to, that is 4t plus 10x. Now 4t plus 10 x value 6, that is 40 plus 60 is equal to 100. Now that is therefore the answer will be, now the answer, he makes 6 pots in one day and cost of pots is equal to 40 plus 10x, that is 40 plus 10 into 6, that is 40 plus 60, that is 100 rupees. Yes. Now the another question will be the question number 7. Now the question number 7 is, we can solve the question number 7. Now the question number 7, Pratik takes, that is question number 7, Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 kilometer downstream, 36 kilometer downstream and return to the same spot. The speed of the boat in still water is 12 kilometer per hour. 12 kilometer per hour. Find the speed of water. Find the speed of water. Find the speed of water. Speed of water current. Now the answer will be, now we can see, now this is the position A and B. The Pratik travels 8 hours to travel 36 kilometer and the speed of boat is 12 kilometer per hour. Now let let the speed of water current is x kilometer per hour. Now therefore Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 kilometers downstream and return to the same spot. Let the speed of downstream boat is equal to 12 plus x kilometer per hours. Now we know that the speed equal to distance upon time. Now time equal to distance upon speed. Now that is time as it is. The distance is 36 and speed of downstream 12 plus x hour. That is equation number 1. Now the speed of return. Now the speed of return is equal to 12 minus x. Similarly, the time is equal to distance upon speed. Now therefore, the time is equal to distance 36 and speed 12 minus x. That is equation number 2. Now we can use these two equations and solve the quadratic equation. The total time is 8 hours. Now the total time is 8 hours. Now therefore, first 36 divided by 12 plus x plus 36 divided by 12 minus x is equal to total time 8 hours. Now therefore we can common the 36 in bracket. We can common 36, the bracket 1 divided by 12 plus x and 1 divided by 12 minus x is equal to 8. Now therefore 36 bracket cross multiplication 12 minus x and 12 plus x divided by 12 plus x and 12 minus x is equal to 8. That is plus x minus x cancel. Now 36, 12 plus 12, that is 24 divided by first bracket a plus b, another bracket a minus b. 12 square minus x square is equal to 8. Now the 36 into 24 divided by 12 square 144 minus x square equal to 8. Then answer 36 into 24 8 144 minus x square. 36 into 24 divided by 8 equal to 144 minus x square. Now 8 3s are 24. Therefore 36 into 3 is equal to 144 x square. 36 3s are 108, 144 x square. Now therefore minus x square, the 144 minus 108, the x square we can subtract 36 square root x equal to plus minus 6, that is answer x equal to 6. Now answer will be speed up. Now speed of water current is, now speed of water current is 6 kilometer per hour. We can see the answer. Now the another question. The question number 8. Now the question number 8 will be, we can solve the question number 8. Now 8, 9 and 10. We can solve the question number 8. That is question number 8 will be, no, that is question number 8. Pintu takes that is Pintu takes 6 days. 6 days more. 6 days more than. 6 days more than those of Nishu. Those of Nishu. Those of Nishu to complete certain work. To complete certain work. Okay? To complete certain work. If they work together, if they work together, if they work together, then finish in 4 days. How many days? That is, how many days would it? How many days would it take to complete? Take to complete the work. It work if they work alone. They work alone. Now we can see the question. Now Pintu takes 6 days more than those of Nishu to complete certain work. If they work together, then finish in 4 days. How many days would it take to complete the work if they work alone? Now we can let Nishu. Pintu takes 6 days more than Nishu. Let Nishu takes X days to complete a work. Therefore, Pintu takes 6 days more. Pintu takes X plus 6 days. Now, the Nishu and Pintu works together. Then he finished the works in 4 days. Now, first we can 1 by X. The one work takes 1 work in X days for Nishu, and 1 work takes Pintu X plus 6. Both are together finish 4 days in 1 work. We can solve the quadratic equation. Now we can solve the quadratic equation. The x plus 6 and x divided by x bracket x plus 6 equal to 1 by 4. Now x plus x, 2x plus 6, x into x square plus 6x equal to 1 by 4. Now cross multiplication, 4 bracket 2x plus 6 and x square plus 6x. There 4 2s are 8x, 4 6 are 24. That is x square plus 6x. Now therefore 8 first the x square plus 6x. Now 8x plus 24. Therefore x square plus 6x minus 8x and minus 24 equal to 0. Therefore x square we can subtract minus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. Now this 1 by x is, and 1 upon x plus 6 is equal to 1 by 4. That is 1 by x is Nishu alone one work in x days and Pintu alone one work in x plus 6 days, and both are together. This work finish 4 days in one work. That is minus 24. That is 6 fourths are minus 24. Now x square, that is minus 6x plus 4x minus 24 equal to 0. Now we can common, now this is x, we can common x, answer x minus 6, we can common 4, answer x minus 6. Therefore x minus 6 in one bracket, x plus 4 in one bracket. Therefore x minus 6 equal to 0 and x plus 4 equal to 0. X equal to 6 and x equal to minus 4. The minus will be cancelled. X equal to 6 days. Now Nishu takes complete his work in 6 days. Nishu complete. Now answer. Nishu work in 6 days. That is Nishu work in 6 days. Work in 6 days. And Pintu works is equal to, that is x plus 6. That is 6 plus 6, that is 12. 12 days. Now the 6 plus 6, value of 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 days. Another question, the question number 9. Now this is question number 8. The last question will be question number 9 and question number 10. The question number 9 is, now the question number 9, if 460 if 460 is divided, if 460 is divided by a natural number, by natural numbers, comma quotient, the quotient is 6 more 6 more than 5 times 6 more than 5 times the divisor and remainder is 1. Find quotient and divisor. Find quotient and divisor. Find quotient and divisor. Now we can see the question. Let the natural number is x, and therefore quotient is equal to 6 more than 5 times the divisor x, and remainder is 1. Now we can using the rules. Now the rules is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now the dividend is 460, divisor is x, into quotient is 6 plus 5x, and remainder is 1. That is 460 equal to x bracket 6 plus 5x plus 1. That is 460 equal to 6 into x, 6x plus 5x square plus 1. Now the 460 equal to first one 5x square 6x plus 1. Now it is 0 equal to 5x square 6x plus 1 minus 460. Now 0 equal to 5x square plus 6x minus 4, 5, 9. Now the quadratic equation is 5x square plus 6x minus 4, 5, 9. We can solve this quadratic equation. Now solving the quadratic equation is now we can solve the quadratic equation. Now therefore the quadratic equation 5x square plus 6x minus 4, 5, 9 equal to 0. Now therefore, now 5 into minus 4, 5, 9. Now the multiplication 5 9s are 45, carries only 4. 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 4 or 29, carries only 2. That is minus 20 to 95. We can factorize 2295. First we can factorize by 3 or 5. That is 5 4s are 20, carry 2. 5 5s are 25, carry 4. 5 9s are 45. Again 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 50. 3 3s are 9. Again 3. That is 3 5s are 50. 3 1s are 3. Again 3. 3 1s are 3. Carry 2. 3 7s are 21. And 17 1s are 71. That is 5 3s are 15. 15 3s are 45. And this is 17 3s are 51. The answer will be, that is minus 22 95. The answer will be 45 and 51. Now the plus 6, that is plus and minus. Now therefore 5x square minus 45x plus 51x minus 4 5 9 equal to 0. This common is 1, this common is 1. Now this common is 5x, x bracket 9. This is 51 common, x bracket 9. Therefore, x minus 9 in one bracket and 5x plus 51 in one bracket. Now x minus 9 equal to 0, 5x plus 51 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 9 and 5x equal to minus 51. Now x equal to 9, x equal to minus 51, 5. This will be cancelled. X equal to 9. Now this is divisor. The divisor is x equal to 9 and quotient. Quotient equal to, now the quotient is 6 plus 5x. 6 into 5, x value 9. That is 6 plus 4 9s are 45 is equal to 51. Now this is quotient. Now the last question. The last question will be question number 10. Now the last question is the question number 10. Yes. In the adjoining figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. 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 AB parallel to CD. And its area is 33 centimeters square. From the information given in the figure, find the length of all sides. Find the length of all sides. Find the length of all sides of the quadrilateral ABCD. Fill in the empty space. Fill in the empty space. Fill in the empty boxes. Fill in empty boxes to get the solution. To get the solution. Now, the trapezium will be, now this is trapeziums. Okay. Now this is AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD, and this position has M. This is 90 degree. Now this position has X and this position has X minus 2. Then this position is X minus 4 and this position is 2x plus 1. Now we can solve this question. Therefore, area quadrilateral ABCD equal to, that is 1 by 2 sum of parallel side. that is AB plus CD into height. The height will be AM. Now area quadrilateral ABCD 33 is equal to 1 by 2. AB is x, CD is 2x plus 1 into AM. AM is x minus 4. Now we can solve this question. Therefore 33 into 2 is equal to x plus 2x, 3x plus 1 and x minus 4. That is 66 is equal to 3x, that is x minus 4, plus 1, that is x minus 4. 66, the 3x square minus 12x plus 1x minus 4. Therefore 66 equal to 3x square minus 11x minus 4. Now 0 is equal to 3x square minus 11x minus 4 minus 66. 0 equal to 3x square minus 11x minus 70. Now therefore 3x square minus 11x minus 70 equal to 0. Now that is 3 into minus 70, that is 210. Now answer will be minus 11. 21 tens are answer minus, that is minus plus. Now 3x square minus 21x plus 10x minus 70 equal to this one common, this one common. We can common the value of 3x. 3 sevens are 21. Common the value 10, that is 7 equal to 0. Now we can collect one bracket x minus 7, another is 3x plus 10 equal to 0. Now therefore x minus 7 equal to 0, 3x plus 10 equal to 0. Now x equal to 7 and 3x equal to minus 10. Now the answer will be x equal to 7 and x equal to minus 10 by 3. X equal to minus 10 by 3 is cancel. Now x equal to 7. The side will be first AB equal to x equal to 7 centimeter. Now another BC equal to x minus 2, that is 7 minus 2 is 5 centimeter. And third AM equal to x minus 4, that is x is 7 minus 4, 3 centimeter. And last CD. Now CD equal to 2x plus 1. 2 into value of x is 7 plus 1, that is 14 plus 1, 15 centimeter. Now this is question number 10. We can complete the practice set 2.6. या ठिकाणी आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.6 हा पूर्ण कंप्लीट केलेला आहे. आणि जर तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडत असेल तर या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, शेअर करा, कमेंट करा. धन्यवाद.